The Infinix Note 30 has made its debut, introducing a host of exciting features that aim to captivate users. From wireless charging to dual stereo speakers by JBL and IP53 certification. This device is designed to make an impression. In this comprehensive review, I'll provide you with all the essential details you need to know about the Infinix Note 30, helping you make an informed decision if this device is the right choice for you. Unboxing the Note 30 reveals a delightful surprise. The package consists of two boxes, each contains different components. The first box contains a wireless charger and a wireless case. This wireless charger allows hassle-free and cable-free charging. Moving to the second box that houses the Note 30. This includes a USB-C cable, 33 watts charger, ensuring a fast and efficient charging capability. In addition, there's a clear silicone case provided, offering an extra layer of protection while showcasing this device design. You also get the screen protector and a pair of headphones. For the design, the Infinix Note 30 is sleek and modern. The device features a glass back that gives it a premium look and feel. The use of plastic frames provides durability and helps keep this device lightweight. The edges are rounded, offering a comfortable grip. The fingerprint scanner is conveniently placed on the power button on the side of the device. This allows quick and secure unlocking. For the display, the Note 30 sports a 6.6 AMOLED display, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. The AMOLED technology ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, excellent contrast levels, with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The display delivers sharp and detailed visuals. This device comes with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, which is popularly seen in mid-range devices. The display has a standard 60Hz refresh rate, which means it refreshes 60 times per second. While this is not as smooth as higher refresh rates found in premium devices, it still offers a good experience for everyday use and casual gamers. The device has a peak brightness of 900 nits, which ensures visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Additionally, the device supports always-on feature, which allows you to glance at important information without fully waking up the device. For performance, the Infinix Note 30 is powered by the Helio G85 chipset, which is known for a strong performance in the budget segment. It features an octa-core CPU. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and efficient power management. When it comes to gaming, the G85 chipset handles popular titles like Call of Duty, PUBG, which is providing a lag-free and immersive gaming experience. This device also comes with the Mali G52 GPU, which contributes to smooth graphics rendering and enhanced gaming performance. In terms of benchmark score, the Note 30 scored 259,000 on Antutu. For the camera, the Note 30 features a dual camera setup at the rear, with the main camera sensor being 64 megapixel. The primary camera delivers good images in well-lit condition, although it lacks an ultra-wide lens and a macro lens. The absence of an ultra-wide lens means you won't be able to capture wide scene shots or large group photos in a single frame. The front camera boasts a 13 megapixel sensor that captures decent selfies with sufficient details and accurate colors. It supports portrait mode for bokeh effects, allowing you to create artistic shots with blurred backgrounds. Video recording capabilities of the Note 30 are decent, which supports up to 2K resolution. The built-in stabilization helps reduce shakiness and ensures smoother footage. In my camera test, in challenging conditions such as low light or high contraction, the Note 30 struggles to deliver exceptional quality. However, in well-lit conditions, the camera performs really good, capturing accurate colors and sharp details. For battery and charging, the Note 30 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which provides an ample power to keep this device running through the day. With moderate usage, which includes web browsing, social media, and multimedia consumption, this device can last a day or two with a single charge. Additionally, the Note 30 supports wireless charging, which adds convenience for those who prefer a cable-free charging experience. However, it's important to note that wireless charging with this device requires a charging case, which comes in the box with the wireless pad. For the software, the Infinix Note 30 runs on Android 13, the latest version of Android operation at the time of this release. It features the Infinix custom user interface, which is XOS 13, which offers additional customization options and exclusive features. One aspect that could be improved on is the pre-installed apps that comes with this device. While they offer additional functionality, some users may find it unnecessary or prefer a cleaner software experience. As for the software updates, there's no specific information on availability regarding future updates or the frequency of security updates. Let's start with pros and cons. It has a sleek design and glass back. The AMOLED design is vibrant and colorful. It has a 5000 mAh battery and supports wireless charging. For the cons, the camera capability is limited, which means no ultra-wide lens, no macro lens, and we're not sure of software updates or security updates. And it also has low benchmark score. Every device sure has its limitation, but I think this is one device to look out for, and I feel like I recommend it to people. Anyways, I hope you find this review helpful. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review.